Mozart. That giggling, dirty-minded creature I'd just seen, crawling on the floor.
Well, I think that went off remarkably well, don't you?
Indeed.
These Viennese certainly know good music when they hear it, don't you think?
Certainly. Your Grace?
Ah, Mozart. Why?
Why what, sir?
Why do I have to be humiliated in front of my guests by one of my own servants? The more license I allow you, the more you take.
If His Grace is not satisfied with me, he can dismiss me.
I wish you to return immediately to Salzburg. Your father is waiting for you there patiently.
No, Your Grace. I mean, with all humility, I would prefer you dismissed me. It's obvious I don't satisfy.
I have no intention of dismissing you. You will remain in my service and learn your place.